I've been getting some questions out there about if zip ties are as easy to get out of linked together like this as they are the other way, and the answer is yes. So allow me to demonstrate. The objective here is to make sure the locking part of the zip ties are in line with the other one. So where you're breaking at needs to be in the same location. And you can do that if you're restrained simply by moving them. If you're ever restrained by these, they'll still move no matter how tight they get on your hands. And again, you need to actually make these as tight as you can too. So here we go. Busting out the zip ties. Thanks for watching. Actually, didn't want to leave you guys hanging with this extra one on my hand, so I'll show you how to take this other side and just shim the other one off. There we go. It's been an ITS Tactical video on busting out of zip ties. Thanks for watching.